Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, confirm the physical earpiece works. Make a quick call and switch to speaker to verify both pathways. You should update WhatsApp and clear its cache to remove corrupt temp files. This often fixes audio routing. Once done, restart your phone to reset audio services and make sure Bluetooth or wired headsets are disconnected so WhatsApp doesn't send audio to the wrong device. Now focus on audio routing. Play a voice note and tap the speaker icon. WhatsApp toggles between loudspeaker and earpiece. Check permissions in system settings so WhatsApp can access the microphone and audio devices. Lack of permission can break routing. On Android, reset sound settings or use safe mode to test. On iPhone, confirm call audio routing is set to automatic. These steps force the OS. Finish by reinstalling WhatsApp after backing up your chats. Reinstall clears deep app-level faults. Test voice notes using a different WhatsApp account or another phone to tell whether the issue is app-specific or hardware-related. If the problem persists, gently clean the earpiece mesh, dirt can muffle sound, or seek a service center for earpiece replacement. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, try safe mode or a factory reset only after confirming backups. That isolates stubborn software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.